Today we're going to be replacing the chopper clamp cylinder, and what you'll need is a 7/16 wrench and 5/32 Allen wrench bit. You'll need your 7/16 wrench on the nut on the back side of your clamp cylinder bar, and you'll take your 5/32 Allen wrench bit on the front, and you'll just need to loosen, and then repeat on the opposite side. Once you've loosened it, take the first bolt off and then remove the second. Once you've done that, you'll need to remove the air lines. Take your new bar and cylinders, put your new one in, replace the bolt, tighten the nut down behind it, finger tight just to hold it in place. Come back to the other side, and again, tighten the nut down, finger tight to hold it into place. Once you've replaced both bolts with the nuts, grab your socket wrench and wrench, tighten the nut down against the bar. Take your air lines, place the air lines back in, and that's how you replace the chopper clamp cylinders and clamp bar.